The EcoMini direct-fired vapor generator from Kraft Curing Systems. This video explains how to install and commission the EcoMini. Install all components as per the assembly drawings. After proper connection, per local codes, of gas and water, level the combustion chamber by using a spirit level. Open the ball valve located in the water and gas supply lines. Check the inlet gas pressure, which should be 1 bar or 15 psi, and the inlet water pressure, which should be 3 to 5 bar or 45 to 60 psi. The gas supply line must be checked to ensure that it is leak-proof. Install the vapor distribution pipe according to the mechanical layout drawing. Mount the analog thermometer in one of the 3 pipes nipples located in the vapor distribution pipe. The high-temperature safety switch must be mounted in the vapor distribution pipe per the mechanical drawing and connected per the electrical schematics. The power supply must be connected and checked per to the electrical schematics. The tension of the belts must be checked, and the screws of the belt pulleys must be tightened. The oil level in the air blower must be checked. The correct level is up to the middle of the sight glass. For the commissioning of the vapor generator, the 2 switches must be turned to the manual and off positions. The emergency stop switch must be released in order to turn on the power supply. Before starting the vapor generator for the first time, the double-walled combustion chamber must be filled with water. This is called priming the chamber. To do this, press and hold the button Water Prime for 1 minute. To start the vapor generator, turn the on-off switch to the on position. The burner controller switches on and the motor for the air blower starts. This may take several seconds depending on the position of the burner control. Check the motor for correct rotation. After approximately 40 seconds, the pilot flame ignites. The pilot flame can be adjusted by using the ball valve mounted in the air supply line of the pilot flame assembly. Shortly after the pilot flame is ignited, the main flame will be ignited by the pilot flame. The main flame can be adjusted by closing or opening the gas needle valve. Set the gas pressure after the gas regulator to 700 millibar or 10 psi and secure the set screw at the regulator. Adjust the water pressure to 2.5 bar or 36 psi and secure the set screw at the regulator. These pressures must be checked with the main flame running and are to be steady with no fluctuation. The set point of the low water pressure switch is factory set to 1.5 bar or 22 psi. If this needs to be adjusted, use the set screw below the pressure switch. Open the needle valve in the water supply line by turning counterclockwise. During operation, the air pressure in the air supply line should be at 200 to 350 millibar or 3 to 5 psi, and the generator pressure about 100 millibar or 1.5 psi, depending on the installed vapor distribution pipe. The vapor temperature can be adjusted by turning the needle valve in the water supply line. Turning clockwise increases the vapor temperature. Turning counterclockwise decreases the vapor temperature. It is very important to understand that there is a 3-minute delay in the reaction of the dial thermometer located in the vapor distribution pipe. Make changes in the vapor temperature only in quarter-turn increments of the needle valve. We recommend a vapor temperature of between 120 degrees Celsius or 250 degrees Fahrenheit to 200 degrees Celsius or 400 degrees Fahrenheit. The emissions of the combustion must be measured and adjusted per the local regulations. Please consult Kraft Curing or a specialized company regarding to the measurement and readjustment of the combustion. Incorrect adjustment of the combustion of the VaporMini may result in unreliable operation, high fuel consumption, sickness, or death. To adjust the main flame air-fuel mixture without a combustion analyzer during main flame operation, turn the main gas needle valve clockwise slowly until the flame starts to become dark and unstable as viewed in the sight glass. At this point, turn counterclockwise or open the valve slightly so the flame brightens and is stable. Again, this needs to be checked with a combustion analyzer. In order to check the function of the safety circuit, start the VaporMini. As soon as the main flame ignites, close the inlet ball valve of the water supply line. The fault light for the low-pressure water must light and the vapor generator must switch off. After restarting the VaporMini, the function of the low gas pressure switch will be checked in the same way by closing the inlet ball valve of the gas supply line. The fault light for low-pressure gas must light and the vapor generator must switch off. Start the VaporMini again and slowly close the needle valve in the water line in order to increase the vapor temperature. At 420 degrees Celsius or 800 degrees Fahrenheit, the vapor generator must shut off via the high temperature safety switch in the vapor distribution pipe, and the high temperature fault must be indicated by the fault light. The VaporMini direct-fired vapor generator from Kraft Curing Systems. For more information about installation, commissioning, operation and maintenance respectively, and troubleshooting, please see the operation manual of the VaporMini or contact our customer service specialists. It is of utmost importance to observe the cautions and warnings in the manual, as well as local regulations and laws.